complicated to memorize.
In fact, many students have developed phobia towards math. They feel that with the help of computers and calculators, they are still
Jatinder
not
sir,
mathematics
kindly report
subject.
near.
But if you study Vedic mathematics, you will get rid of this phobia and will love mathematics and even would like to play with it. Mathematics will become fun for you. Believe me, it is not an exaggeration but a fact.
I believe it if you say so. But can you tell me what is Vedic maths and how is it useful in our day-to-day tasks? Those who have studied Vedic mathematics have justified that all the answers obtained from Vedic mathematical principles are accurate and can be obtained in less than one third of the time that with the conventional mathematical principles to solve the same problem. Just for an example, if we multiply 965 into 975, the results can be received in a matter of seconds.
Here, someone is talking about Vedic maths. I know what is Vedic maths. It helps us to enhance the visualization and concentration. And as a result, the left and the right hand side of the brain is get active as before.
Vedic mathematics can also improve the calculation powers. There are many benefits of using Vedic mathematics for solving problems. This system helps us to reduce finger counting and also help us to solve large amount of problems.
Vedic mathematics also help us to reduce silly mistakes as their methods are simpler, easier, and also help us to keep the student's mind alert.
Hey friends, let's go to the market to see the practical use of Vedic mathematics that shopkeepers and vendors use daily.
Let's go.
Where should we go first?
We should go to that vegetable shop.
Yeah, let's go.
Bhaiya, what is the cost of 1 kg of onions?
It will cost rupees 60.
Oh, but I need only 250 grams. What will be the cost?
Okay, then it will cost rupees 15.
Huh? So fast.
We all are here to know how can you calculate so fastly.
My father taught me Vedic maths. With the help of Vedic maths, you can solve any problem easily. It provides flexibility to the students like you, and you start taking mathematics as fun.
Give me some coriander and chilies also. And give me some coriander and chilies also.
Only with 250 gram of onion, you want free chilies and coriander? Never.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, only half an ice left. Let's go to the another shop.
Yeah, let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I want one Lays, one Kurkure, one Bhujia, a packet of biscuit, and one bottle of Coca-Cola.
I want one snacker, one puff, and some candy.
Please tell what is the cost of these things?
It is 200 rupees.
200? How can you calculate this cost so fastly and easily without using any pen or paper?
It is very simple by Vedic math.
Vedic maths. Oh, it's Vedic maths. Thank you.
Okay guys, let's go and ask from that balloon seller.
Yeah, let's go.
Balloon wale bhaiya, can you give us some balloons because tomorrow is my birthday?
How many balloons do you want?
We want 50 balloons. What is the cost?
One is rupees 5, so total cost is rupees 250.
Huh? How can you calculate this cost so quickly and so easily without using any paper or pen?
Also, you are uneducated. How can you calculate this? I learned it from my father as it is Vedic math.
Oh, it's Vedic maths.
Oh no, I have only 15 balloons.
Okay, then you give me only 15. What will be
also learn.
Ooh, wow. I want this doll also.
Please tell, what is the cost of this doll?
It is of rupees 1000.
Oh no, it's so expensive. We cannot afford it. Thank you.
Welcome.
So quickly, how can they calculate so fastly? Amazing!
Okay guys, do you want to know that how can they calculate this?
Yes, of course.
So, let's go to ma'am and ask her that what is Vedic maths and how vendors and other shopkeepers use it in their day-to-day tasks.
Yeah, let's go.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am, but can you tell us something about Vedic maths and how is it useful? Yeah, of course. Vedic mathematics is the name given by an ancient system of calculation which was rediscovered from Vedas between 1911 and 1980 by B.K. Guru. Practically, all Vedic mathematics from 16 sutras. These sutras are used to describe the way the mind naturally moves and are therefore supposed to be a great help in directing the student to the appropriate method of calculation. This whole system is interrelated and unified. It makes arithmetic easy, enjoyable, and also encourage innovations.
And can you explain with an example?
Yes, of course. Give me any two-digit number ending with 5 and I'll have it squared within some seconds.
Ma'am, what is the square of 65?
It's 4,225.
Wow, so fast! How can you calculate so quickly?
It's very easy. I can explain you. See here. First digit is 6. Take next number of 6, that is 7. Their multiplication is 42 and square of 5 is 25. So it becomes 4,225. Now you understand the thing? Yes, ma'am. Okay, then I'll ask you some question. Now you tell me what's the square of 85?
Ma'am, it's 7,225.
Okay, very good.
Please give us some more examples.
Okay, there is an item of 70% discount with MRP rupees 1000. We can calculate this cost so quickly and easily. See here. Discount on item is 70% of MRP rupees 1000. So its cost is 100 minus 70 equals to 30. 30% of 1000 equals to 30 by 100 into 1000. So the cost is 300.
So fast, how can you calculate this so fastly? Ma'am, can you give us some more questions?
Yeah, of course. Now you tell me if there is an item of MRP having rupees 500 and discount on it is 60%, then what will be its cost? Ma'am, it will be rupees 200. Yeah, right. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome.
So friends, we find that some mathematical principles help us to find the solutions of many problems.
You can also find square root, cube root, and you can subtract, divide, multiply, and add, and can do all other mathematical calculations very easily.
Thank you.